Let's do with our lunch. It's 10:45 a.m. This is gonna be my brunch. I have here egg poach. It's 140 calories. This one is, the pork is 230 calories. 100 calories, half cup. And 50 calories, half cup. So this one all in all is 490 calories. Lahat, 490 calories. So kain na tayo guys. Ito ang aking first meal. And the second meal will be dinner. So this is 490 calories. I'm taking less than what I expected. So kain na tayo kasi oras na naman para mag-prepare. Tanghalian na almusal ito. Oras na naman para mag-prepare ng hapunan. So ito na nga. Sa nakikita nyo, this is 5:30 in the afternoon na. Pero ang taas pa ng araw. 10 o'clock mawawala ang araw niyan. So ang lulutuin lang natin ay ang simpleng Bicol Express. A pork recipe with spices in it, and then with coconut milk. So luto na natin ang hapunan ng aking anak. This is my son's favorite.